Hello guys, I have a question from one of my subscribers asking, uh, what is it the best? Is it to buy one stock each time? It means to trade only one stock from my account, or is it better to have many stocks at the same time? Now, all this question is based on what we call risk in your account. If, for example, let's say you have $5,000 and you always buy one stock with all your money, let's say $5,000, just an example. Now here you are having more risk and you can have more reward. Okay? It means you are risking too much because you are using all your money in one trade. Now, if you use, let's say you have $5,000 and you divide it into 3 or 4 or 2, what does it mean? It means the reward is less and the risk is less. And in the future, your account will grow steadily, slowly, not that much, but your account will not be very volatile. Now, the other guy who is using one stock, he can have a volatile account that's going up quicker, but it can go quicker also down. And if you get hit with having one stock, if you get hit many times and you lose many trades, it will affect drastically your account. So, and then you ask me what you are doing. Now, for me, I prefer low risk and low reward in general, in the whole account. So I divide my account into many positions always. Even if I want to buy a position and I have money, I will buy only one part of my money with that position and I leave all the other money for other positions. Okay? Even if I have only one, but this one will never be with all my money that I have, because I will be risking too much. Now I will give you an example why it is too much. Let's say you have $10,000 and you put it in a stock, and then bad news happen after the market close. Any news, okay? Let's say in the morning you find that you lost 50%. Do you understand what does it mean, 50% from all your money? If you have $10,000, you lose $5,000. It's too much money from your account. Half of it is gone and it will never come back. Even if you want in the next year to make this 5,000 to make it 10,000, you will make it 100% from 5,000 to 10,000. Although you have lost only 50% from 10,000 to 5,000. You see how bad when you lose a lot of trades and big losses. Okay, especially with downtrend, with gap downs and bad news. So if you have many stocks, even if one of your stocks get hit with a downtrend, like a gap down or a bad news, it will never affect your account in whole. Okay, it affects only that trade. But if it is only one trade, you will see what happened to you. That's why for me, in my training, I give a lot of focus on how to manage the risk, how to do position sizing, how to calculate all these things, because it will affect a lot. Think like a business, okay? If, for example, McDonald's is selling sandwiches, okay? If sandwich is one of the sandwich is bad, they replace it. But they don't lose the business. They lose only that sandwich. Okay, and that sandwich doesn't affect the whole business. This is what we do as a swing trader, as a business. The trades that we do many trades at the same time, many positions. If one position is bad or you lose little money, we don't like big losses. That's why we don't tolerate big losses. Okay, if the stock is going against us, we have stop loss and we get rid of it. Okay, so we don't have big losses like beginners, because beginners, when you buy a stock, it goes against you, and you say, no, tomorrow it will go up. Okay, it go down next day, and then you say, no, next week it go up. It go down and down and down, and then after a few days or a few weeks, you see that you lost a big loss, and then you feel the pain, and then you sell. But it's too late. Instead of losing $100 to $200, you lose $1,000 to $2,000, and this will affect your account. That's why what we are doing here as a swing trader, we are doing a business. You should see everything in your business. It's not just, oh, I found a stock, it goes up, I make money. Okay, and what about the other stocks that you bought and they go down? Okay, if you don't have a money management, position sizing, if you don't have all this stuff, you will get stuck and you will lose a lot of money, but you don't know why you are losing. Okay, it is just because of this. So pay attention to what you are doing in the whole account. And in summary, as I told you before, if you do one stock, you can have high reward and but you have high risk. If you like too much risk, you can do one stock. But for me, I don't want to have a high risk, okay, in my account. I don't want to lose 20% or 30% in one trade. This is stupid, okay? You lose all your money in a few trades, and then you have no money to trade. And this is what all the beginners, they do, okay? They do crazy things. I'm not saying stupid things, but they do crazy things. They do what we call kamikaze trading. It means you say, oh, okay, I'll put all my money in this. It's a penny stock, it's $1. I think it can go to $2 or $3 or $5, and I'll make too much money. But unfortunately, next day you find that your $1, it goes to 10 cents, and you lose all your money, and then you begin crying, whining, and commenting in YouTube and other forums and chat room that Wall Street take your money. And, you do stupid things, and then you blame others. So the thing that you blame is yourself. Always you blame yourself, because you do mistakes. You should correct them. If you don't correct them, you will have the same result. That's why if you see that you are not making money, now what does it mean? 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, you don't make money. Okay, what does it mean? It means that you are doing mistakes, and you don't want to learn new things, and you think that you know trading, and this idea stops you from growing up. Okay, your mind, it stops in one thing, is that you are stubborn. Okay, you want to do what you want to do, you lose money, you say, okay, all trading is just gambling. No, man, it's not gambling. Gambling for you, but others, they don't gamble. It's your money. You don't give your money to Wall Street guys like this. Okay, so hope that this thing will make sense to you. And for me, I'm just trying to explain the idea and how it affects your account. But in general, it's up to you to do whatever you want. For me, I just explain, and I will try to make sure you understand what you are going to do and how much risk you get into your account. Okay, so thank you very much. Please comment or subscribe if you don't, and thumb it up, and ask questions here or send me a private message. Always you find my website, the training, and you find the email on the top of the description. You just email me and we go from there. Thank you very much and have a nice day.